first slide is definition of code mixing. Key point: the embedding of various linguistic units, affixes, words, phrases, from one language into another within a single utterance, intrasentential. Pronunciation note: the slide contains typos, varios, affixes, utterance, sentimental, example. Make sure to pronounce them correctly as various, affixes, utterance, intrasentential, and example. First, let's discuss code mixing. Code mixing refers to embedding of various linguistic units such as affixes, words, or phrases from one language into another within a single utterance, or in linguistics, this is known as an intrasentential switch. So, its key characteristic is that it doesn't completely alter the grammatical structure of the base language. For example, let's have a meeting at the cafe this afternoon. If we look at how we speak daily, it's like inserting the English word meeting right into a regular Indonesian sentence structure. So next, we move to slide definition of code switching. Key point: the transition from one language system to another involving a complete shift in grammar and phonology. It occurs between sentences, intersentential, or at turn-taking points. Pronunciation note: the slide says sentimental. Make sure to say intersentential. In contrast to code mixing, code switching is the transition from one language system to another, which involves a complete shift in both grammar and phonology. The key characteristic here is intersentential, meaning the switch occurs between sentences or at turn-taking points in conversation. For example, the weather is nice today. Mending kita jalan-jalan sekarang. Here, you can clearly see a complete sentence in English, followed by another complete sentence in Indonesian. We move to next slide, key differences at a glance. Pronunciation note: the table has typos, fitur, sentimental, utterance 0, switching. Pronounce them as a fitur, intrasentential, utterance, and switching. To make it easier to distinguish between the two, let's take a look at this comparison table. In terms of scope, code mixing occurs within a single sentence, intrasentential, while code switching occurs between sentences, intrasentential. In terms of grammar, code mixing follows the structure of the base language, which as code switching follows the distinct grammar rules of each language as the speaker switches. In terms of trigger, code mixing is usually triggered by vocabulary gaps or just sheer habit. On the other hand, code switching is triggered by situational changes or social function. Next slide, types of code mixing. Moiskin's framework. Pronunciation note: the slide has typos, situation, similar, structure. Pronounce them as situation, similar, structure. According to Moiskin framework, code mixing can be divided into 3 types. The first one, insertion, placing a foreign word or phrase directly into the structure of another language. Second, alternation, a switch where both languages alternate but each language still maintains its own structural integrity. Third, concurrent lexicalization, a situation where two languages share a highly similar structure, allowing words from both languages to be mixed freely and randomly. Next slide, types of code switching. Moving on to code switching, it is generally categorized into three types. The first, situational code switching. This is a trigger by a change in a setting, the participants, or the social context, such as shifting from a formal to an informal tone. And then next, second, metaphorical code switching. This is used to change the tone or provide emphasis, such as switching to a mother tongue to better express emotion or frustration. And the last one, text switching. This involves simply inserting a short tag or expression from another language at the beginning or end of a sentence, such as "you know, right?" or "ya kan?" So next slide, sociolinguistic motivation. So why do people mix and switch codes? There are several sociolinguistic motivations behind this behavior. For example, lexical need, a lack of a specific equivalent term in the native language, making the foreign word easier to use spontaneously. And next, social solidarity, to signal belonging, closeness, or shared identity within a bilingual group. And then praise type, to demonstrate education level, global awareness, or a modern identity. And also clarification, to repeat a point in the other language to ensure better understanding. So the next slide is conclusion about part 1. The slide says indicators, pronoun is as indicators. In conclusion, code smithing and code switching are sophisticated linguistic strategies. They are definitely not signs of language deficiency or lazy speaking habits. Rather, they are indicators of high linguistic competence. They are essential communication tools in our globalist digital world. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. And see you in part 2. Hi, hello everyone. Okay, we move to part 2. Today we are going to discuss a topic in sociolinguistics entitled Sociolinguistic Phenomena in Classroom Interaction. In daily classroom communication, teachers and students often use different language styles, dialects, or even switch between languages depending on the situation. These language variations are examples of sociolinguistic phenomena. In this presentation, we will explain several important topics such as diglossia, code alternation, style shifting, code mixing, code switching, and dialect. We will also see how these phenomenon appear in classroom interaction and influence communication between teachers and students. We hope this presentation can help us better understand the relationship between language and social context in education. Now, let's move to the first topic. Okay, first slide, introduction. What is sociolinguistics? Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society. It explains how language changes depending on social content, audience, status, culture, and identity. Language variation reflects social meaning and communication goals. Next slide, diglossia. Definition of diglossia. Diglossia is sociolinguistic situation where two language varieties are used in different social contexts. Characteristic: high variety. Age. For the first one, formal. Second one, official. Third one, academic. And then low variety, L. Fourth, informal. Fifth, casual. And sixth, daily interaction. Next slide, example in the case. Student use formal Indonesian when seminar presentation. Student switches to informal Indonesian when speaking with peers. Lecturer consistently use formal Indonesian. Theory by Charles Ferguson, 1959, introduced the concept of dysglossia. So next, analysis of dysglossia case. Analysis of the situation. Why different variations are used? The first, formal academic setting requires polite and standard language. Second, informal discussion with peers creates a relaxed atmosphere. Third, speakers adjust language according to social rules and audience. The social roles and audience. Meaning conflict. Formal Indonesian shop. The first, professionalism. Second, respect. Third, academic competence. And next, informal Indonesian shows. First, solidarity. Second, closeness. Third, comfort. Sociolinguistic function. Maintains social hierarchy, distinguishes formal and informal domains, helps speakers adapt to communicate situation. Okay, so next slide, diglossia, theory and references. Supporting theory, Ferguson, 1959. Diglossia occurs when two varieties have separate social function. Werdau, 2010. Language choice depends on social context and social interaction. References by Umami, E.A. Ghazani, P.I. 2021, Code Switching and Code Mixing on Flow, a Sociolinguistic Study, and Suganda, L.A., Petrus, I., and Zuraida, 2021, EVL Teachers Code Switching, the Social Emotional Learning. Conclusion. of dysglossia helps speakers communicate appropriately in different social contexts. Okay, so next, code alternation, style shifting, code mixing, and code switching. Linguistic alternation. Definition: linguistic alternation refers to changing language code or style during communication. Phenomenon found in the case code mixing, code switching, and style shifting. For example, from the case, menurut saya, this concept is very important untuk kita pahami. Why it happens? Bilingual ability, audience adoption, identity expression, and communication efficiency. Okay, next, analysis of the interaction, analysis of the phenomenon, code mixing. The speaker inserts English phrases into Indonesian sentences. Code switching, the speaker changes fully from Indonesian to English and later returns to Indonesian. Style shifting, different speaking styles are used depending on interaction and audience. Communicative meaning, English may show academic knowledge or modern identity. And then Indonesian creates clarity and familiarity. Supporting theories, relevant sociolinguistic theories, Holmes 2013, language variety reflects social relationship and communicative goals. Without 2010, language choice depends on social context and interaction. Yeah, so reference by Umami E.A. Ghazani B.I. 2021, Code Switching and Code Mixing on Flow A Sociolinguistic Study. And then Suganda, L.A. Petrus, I. and Zuraida 2021, EVL Teachers Code Switching in the Social Emotional Learning Context. Style shifting. Definition of style shifting. Style shifting is the adjustment of speaking style according to situation, audience, or social setting. Example from the case: student speaks formally during class presentation. Student becomes informal when speaking with close friends. Change that occurs: vocabulary, tone, pronunciation, sentence structure. Reasons. The first, different audiences requires different language style. Second, formal settings demand polite speech. Third, informal settings encourage relaxed communication. Meaning and role. Formal style show respect and seriousness. Informal style creates intimacy and comfort. Sociolinguistic function helps maintain social relationship, allows speakers to adapt socially, reflects identity and group membership. Theory by Labov 1972 explain that language style change according to social context. Next, code mixing. Definition of code mixing. Code mixing is the use of elements from two languages in one sentence or utterance. Example from the case: aku lagi ngerjain assignment yang deadline-nya besok. Mix elements: Indonesian structure, English vocabulary, assessment, and deadline. Next, analysis of code mixing Why does code mixing happen? Reasons. Bilingual speakers are familiar with both languages. English terms are considered practical and modern. Third, some English words are more popular in academic contexts. Communicate meaning. Shows bilingual identity, creates casual and modern interaction, and then makes expression more efficient. Sociolinguistic function marks group membership, reflects globalization and languages contact, and then creates solidarity among students. So next, supporting theory and references. Holmes 2013, code mixing reflects bilingual communication in social interaction. Without 2010, language variation occurs because of social and communicate factors. Reference by Umami, EA, Gasani BI, 2021, Code Switching and Code Mixing on Flow, a sociolinguistic study. And then Suganda, LA Petrus, I, and Suraida, 2021, EFL Teachers Code Switching in Social-Emotional Learning Context. Next, definition of code switching. Definition of code switching is changing from one language to another during communication. For example, from the case, student starts speaking Indonesian, student switches entirely to English when explaining a concept. Student returns to Indonesian when giving examples. Types of code switching: intersentential switching, intra-sentential switching, and then take switching. Next, analysis of code switching. Why does code switching occurs? The reasons. The first one, to explain academic concepts clearly. Second, to match the listener's understanding. Third, to emphasize information. Four, to express bilingual identity. Sociolinguistic meaning: English may signal academic authority. Indonesian helps maintain comprehension, and also communicative function, clarifying information, emphasizing ideas, adapting to audience, maintaining interaction. Supporting theory and references. Poplak, 1980. Code switching follows linguistics and social rules. Without 2010, code switching depends on social context and interaction. Reference by Umami, EA, and Gasani BI, 2021, Code Switching and Code Mixing on Flow, a Sociolinguistic Study. Suganda, Petrus and Zraida, 2021, EVL Teachers Code Switching in Social-Emotional Learning Context. Next, we move to dialect. Definition of dialect. Dialect is a language variety associated with a particular region or social group. For example, from the case, students from different regions in Indonesian use different pronunciation, different vocabulary, and then different intonation. Examples: Japanese accent, Sundanese accent, and maybe Batak accent. Next, analysis of dialect. Role of dialect in interaction. Why dialect variation occurs? The first, different regional backgrounds. Second, cultural identity. Third, social environment. Influence on communication creates uniqueness and identity, sometimes causes misunderstanding, can strengthen solidarity among speakers from the same region. Sociolinguistic function expresses regional identity, reflects social background, and then also maintains cultural diversity. So next, supporting theory and references. Holmes 2013, dialect reflects social and regional identity, without 2010, without 2010, dialect variation is influenced by society and geography. Reference by Umami, E.A. Ghazani B.I. 2021, Code Switching and Code Mixing in Flow, a Sociolinguistic Study. And Suganda, L.A. Petrus, I. and Zraida 2021, EFL Teachers Code Switching in the Social-Emotional Context. Next slide, conclusion. Main points. Languages change according to social context. Sociolinguistic phenomenon helps speakers communicate effectively. And dysgnosia, code mixing and code switching, style shifting, and dialect all reflect social meaning. Language variations show identity, solidarity, status, and communicative goals. So in the last slide, I have reference by Umami, E.A. and Ghazani B.I. 2021, Code Switching and Code Mixing on Flow, a Sociolinguistic Study, ISLA Journal of Islamic Literature and History, 15 to 13 from Google Scholar. And then Suganda, L.A., Petrus, I. and Zraida 2021, EFL Teachers Code Switching in the Social Emotional Learning Context, Indonesian Research Journal in Education 5 to by Google Scholar. You can search the link if you want it. I put in my description for the link. So I think that's all my presentation about part 2. I'm so sorry if I make so many mistakes, and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.